aka enioma mienu pe crosses ni mienu pe eno ana so far mpanyifo ene set ewiye eno aye playing time ene our transfer fee percentage set or say ene management push for no omunwiye but na me catch say a branch did Razak Sapon or a player ene makofolia sushen na ofri konongo oko konongo e fen konongo zero konongo Cristiano Ronaldo yes akwadara ndin ade Razak Sapon a osi akama kofodia sushen no makacho se odikan ba trials last before league never shall no yes oni Hussein mu ene Saani mu na bae ena has efa se wa make the cut ena revert to kofodia sushen obon ball has asama na ba abe trials we impress you bia mpanyimfo ni nyina I hear sir between the player and Hartfolk agreement aba between Hartfolk and kofodia sushen agreement aba eti konongu zero dia kanie medicals ena akwada na eye owie ya na wasan na Hartfolk a progress a register boy anything edage konongu Cristiano Ronaldo konongu Ronaldo zero a fi konongu eno no obano baba adwuma adiama Accra Hearts of Oak na enna nwumre ena menya call bi pa eye soccer for souls ena omo reporter Hartfolk adiama FIFA Federation of International Football Association adaya ngrana say womo player ene akora has a transfer no na womo ntre has nkana say no bi nti onka anya no anso be contact Hartfolk mpacho tieni soccer for souls for ni chirema omo percentage of our transfer fee again akwadane ni age nti no as has training and compensation no has ade omo din sham so be the age of the boy no I'm say boy no move bia na say sade na kodwo samoa e free Kasemai board Deportivo e call Libya na sikaba e de emasa clubs na enya bi enti club no ya say de omani nye won say ase deal no has eyo mu frim enti club na ne tin e de soccer for souls say division 2 na division 3 omo empanyfo say womo expect say class of for e ba be the needful say the ya sa contract na ewon sem no ebetimi aba enti soccer for souls for say womo de omasem na kodan FA omo free FA ombe ko FIFA esa sa kwada de training and compensation esa soccer for souls womo tete akwada no womo etimi enya sasika na eno kakra e free oba ena mede won sem no e de ema empanyfo anopai muso mugusu etie akoma 87.9 FM na so we enanu yade na afeni declare free has registered last season etebe de kakra ko GFA free agent players of na mause sakra no e free aka has a register na at that time no mo de gina de so eti GFA na publish but this is quite confusing especially because when you nansia for mo declare mo floating no but akra no so ball has last season at the start of summer no and mo register no and se GFA in declare floating na nka to be more so on se Kotoko de no mo ntimi enko Isaac Minta de because na decision e mai but I am pa odo ani chem na ohwe Saani Mohammed anas we Saani Abdulaziz o Mamishemi Saani Mohammed okay soccer for souls enti you declare floating say so at the time I no register my house no a game player that is the question and I think that we issue confirm nim zo mo come to FIFA there e bi obokwa it will be settled because afei any declare no as a floating player publication GFA no adeba about officially no yes Saani Mohammed edin ewum but time na has a register no omo register based on DN because player yen declare no free won't be registered as a free agent after that decision aba and free agent they ma temporary decision e won say bia temporary go and register the player it I don't know but matise and no soccer for souls penyin bako FM say omo de omasem e ko dan FIFA no mo kwa de nya has di no mo ko omo bom de let me dance pa it will listen e pa na Muhammad Yakubu edikan ofori o ajama e bai Kingsley Obunsu e bai George Epoku e bai Theophilus Boateng e bai na fe okọ Abrante de Ebenezer Usu ufu a Prince Domson e bai Evans Teria Ebai afe from Evans Teria Saani Mohammed it is an etia afe na GF no so list we na Minta mudi o mu declare mo no etia declare branches we floating as Indian oba has no mu declare floating anasa branch no ebra baba has no e no mu declare floating we nyina no issues a eno ewa enkofo no so se omode no ebekwa akodam FIFA na ebia FIFA ahwe omasem akamom unse training and compensation de so ya club na nya bia wo de opa 250 ni nyina nko ha so se dacha kwa no movie a sika no ebeba amom so enya kakra adia we kakra free oba ye don sam ede ema ene anopai yenko yanim eno na meeting ne ba so se me ka che se Asante Kotoko technical director Asante Kotoko sporting director Asante Kotoko head coach wanum Asia na enkomane nya beto dwa esanse igre atu akofa adiaba ye don sam nyina no ede edema head coach of Asante Kotoko and opinion in an official statement published by Asante Kotoko papa no devastated owura no ayadia asem no han hie pa ni nyina so Asante Kotoko injury situation no masa no ayeden we show the fact that about 7 players and a injury list so had Wisdom Bassi Fernando wapra Elvis Chepa for Awuchi wapra a branch of the thing at the goalkeeper outside captain at the Makotoko Frederick Asai wapra Albert Amwa wapra enti anano kwa coach edi tuja echemu gentia oyi a branch of the thing at the tinedu Ephraim no so a pick knock ono so injury dada entuki kaboma na se Kotoko injury ko sense no se pa dia e concern pa situation no ay situation am ese empage for tactical and critical about it eno ana proponent ogum speaking to Asante Kotoko our website on Sebu Etuja or say it's unpleasant news losing him and Kote Albert Amwa losing Albert Amwa and Kote at this busy stage of the season. I initially had chills when it happened during the game because Albert is naturally a strong boy, but the shot he made during the impact left me worried. But injuries are part of the game, and we can just hope he recovers quickly as he has shown with his previous injury. Albert Amwa, a young boy, Albert Amwa, what said in the recovery, no, yana I was so proud. The last time, not doctors, no expert say he could be out for between 4 and 5 weeks, but fortunately he was out for only a week. And a branch of Sapaya in the second week or ball and the answer say a beer. Albert no what it me Aracovantem a big blow and the man Asante Kotoko is Albert Amwa is expected to be out of action for 2 months with partial tear the anterior tolofibular ligament on the right leg. And a branch of the day at the quoted, and then pay for the atuja say anterior crucial ligament with meniscus now so Italian Hagenepa. These are 2 players are out of Asante Kotoko as we speak, and then one out of action. Now, me pacho me kokobo voice be at the amount. Proponent and now my update about injured players. Proponent now my update about injured players of Asante Kotoko. Yentie proper name some of the tuja ebra ojebre echechemu players are omapra the extent of the injury and no say nyano proper neti ogum adi tuja ebra oba press conference na say and some say and a proper neti ogum Ekaya Asante Kotoko head coach on injuries are Ahete Kotoko.
You know, he had some knocks and it didn't really augur well for him, so his movement was thwarted. So based on where the medical team told us, we advise ourselves that he shouldn't be running on it for long. Maybe sometimes if it's a minor one, it's better he comes out for treatment than to continue running for the 90 minutes to aggravate the situation. So that was the reason why we thought that we had to bring him out. I can't really tell, looking at the number of days we gave these players to go through the treatment protocol. I'm not really sure, but then anything can happen if the observation and the remarks of the medical staff, they are ready to come I'm sure they will come. For Eduku, I think it's an issue of the ITC that we don't have. That is why we didn't see. But then Fernando is hamstring. This Chiba for which is Auchi is an issue of groin. So Fernando is also hamstring. Kote is a knee injury. Abet is an ankle injury, and then who else again? Yeah, sorry, it's a knee injury. So these players are going through, and these are good quality top players. And Peter Minu also had a knock on the side of the waist into the bone there, so he's been given some days to rest. So all these players, we are hoping that very soon they will be fit and join the team, so that we'll have competition within the team. When there's competition, it brings out the best in everybody. When there's no competition, sometimes you think you are the top-notch person for that position.
And you proponent Ogum Ejebre Ebo Bosso to say me and the Albert Amoa 2 months out, ankle injury. Abranta Didi Mano Kote Ediano ACL Nikoto Juno. Yes, into Abrantano for the rest of the season or out, and in the coming days Obeko under the knife na Asante Kotoko aye surgery. Ediama Branta Didi at the Emmanuel Kote on the Enono Oko Odima. Yes, the Nigerian Wisdom Passy Nedian a hamstring. Sanso na Elvis Shepa for one no Adian a groin. Abrante the thing at the Ferikasai goalkeeper a knee injury. Afe or say Peter Amidu Aqua or the Diano ni West baby and unya problem and also Amano Amo gamer and ano a basso and a host of others. It way I had a situation at Kotoko. Now, Mamen Fantuja, Sir Isaac Minta ne announcement. Yɛhwɛ animu te sɛ deɛ last week yɛka kyerɛ sɛ ne yɛhwɛ animu sɛ Samson Eduku announcement ne bɛtumi aba any moment a ankyɛ koraa ɛna Samson Eduku announcement ne bae no the same thing ɛne yɛexpɛte aberante de de Isaac Minta yɛexpɛte sɛ in the coming days in the coming hours Asante Kotoko ɛde the official announcement of Isaac Minta ɛbɛba Isaac Minta mete sɛ deɛ na mpanyinfoɔ ɛdi wɔn nkɔmɔ a na abaya adeɛ kakra no signing on fee at Kotoko today. They don't pay signing on fee. Asante Kotoko and signing on fee omoma fat salary, fat as in relative terms. It's Kotoko some negotiations, but now the management of the boy demanded for signing on fee. And I hear say Nana Apinka Kwesewa wamo ane empanyifona trasia oma trash everything out. Eti Isaac Minta wano officially Asante Kotoko bepo na hontoma anase wamo about the official announcement ewo omo social media handles no so na fe abranche no ewia Asante Kotoko the registration there maka chode na so enye problem the moment the player and status committee of the Ghana Football Association player and coaches status committee no enya babonten Abeka sa branch no or free agent na and a FIFA transfer matching system TMS no a question is we free a 2 buy out in the contract and no 80 free opa now and go for busa on Samson Eduku utie voice am boy ni ya coach dey prosper nete ogum or say na issues kakra I was Samson Eduku ne ITC no it is Samson dia no na international transfer certificate no and a problem kakra e ho ente ya no ana Asante Kotoko empany for Ejebre say one atwen it this week and na Wednesday na say ade no and na continue Thursday there say 2 players ameka o masemi Isaac Minta and appointed the Samson Eduku bibia ebeye formalized with the Ghana Football Association na manje no one more are eligible to play for Asante Kotoko. Remember say Albert Amoa Eprano Kotoko quickly ebe papa kaisa nano Thursday me catch us say Kwame Poku Baye apeke knock e training na when you training Friday or by and nano ogina ebo FA Cup game no into be ya backup coach ne be ya options na me don some e dia